One TV special report.
Thank you, Sir, to the public interest. I move that this application of means of copy and restaurant for SUP be approved on the second and final reading within the rules subject to the conditions imposed therein, Sir.
Move with an honorable majority floor leader for the approval of this request resolution for the second and final reading waiving the rules regarding the special use permit remain stock and coffee restaurant and Raymond's Snack and Dine. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved of the second and final reading waiving the rules.
Thank you, Sir. The second item of the under committee report is the issue of application of Raymond's Snack and Dine, order operated by Joanna Jitamula, located at Purakuan, Barangay Gagong, Sama City, for special use permit. This business is located along a residential zone, but is now being used as a commercial establishment. So there is a need for special use permit. But the joint committees hearing this application impose conditions on concern. Number one, that the management of Raymond's Snack and Dine shall secure sanitary permits and requires personnel to undergo laboratory examinations as conditioned by the City Health Office. Number two, that the Raymond Snack and Dine applicant shall take care of his collection of garbage as this substance is unreachable by the city's garbage truck. And the CIMO will conduct an inspection on the proper waste disposal of Raymond's Snack and Dine. So this is one of the conditions, and if this will be not complied, the application of the city will be revoked by the LGO. The third condition, that there should be a construction of generics for waste disposal, and this is ongoing. The construction is ongoing now, and the settlement will be issued by the city planning only if this construction is completed and is found in order by our city engineer's office. And if there are musical performances, live band, and acoustic plays, the time limit is up to 10 o'clock in the evening. With this, Honorable Chair, I move to approve the HJ application of Raymond's Snack and Dine, subject to the conditions imposed by Sauce Body for approval by first reading with revisions.
There is a motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of the special use permit of Raymond's Snack and Dine provided that they have to comply the necessary permit, requires a special permit. First condition is that they have to secure sanitary permit by the City Health Office. Second, they have to take care of their operations and CHO, Health Office, will conduct inspection regarding the maintenance of the drainage and disposal of waste materials has to be approved by the City Engineer's Office. Any other comments regarding these requirements as being presented by the Honorable Municipal Leader? And we have to operate only until 10 p.m. on their operations. Any other additional comments or suggestion regarding the operations of Raymond Snack and Giant? Any comments? Hearing none, motion approved as being presented by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of the use of special permit as provided that they have to comply the necessary conditions as being presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Officer. Subject to the conditions imposed by this host body, I move for approval of the special permit application of Raymond's Snack and Dine for approval of second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, Officer.
Moved by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of the operations of this Raymond's Snack and Giant for the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, provided that have to meet the conditions as being presented. Any comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. We proceed to item number 9. Please proceed to letter C, whereby we have two approved insertions, Honorable Chair. The first approved insertion is a resolution defunding the vacant position of security officer for salary grade 2. Until the item number 5, under the office of the Mayor, Officer, I now yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Civil Service, Honorable Lord Deputy Secretary, to introduce an action on this item, Officer.
The Honorable Lord Deputy Secretary is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you to our Majority Floor Leader and to our Presiding Officer. I move to pass a resolution defunding the vacant position of Security Officer 4, salary grade 22 to terminus plantilla item number 5 under the office of the City Mayor. For first reading with reservation, Madam Chair, on joint motion.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Due to the need and urgency of this matter, I would like to pass this on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, a resolution defunding the vacant position of Security Officer 4, salary grade 22, coterminous, plantilla item number 5 under the office of the City Mayor.
The Honorable Secretary is passing this resolution on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules as being presented. Any comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Proposition number 2, an ordinance creating and funding one position of Executive Assistant 4, salary grade 22, coterminous, under the office of City Mayor. Again, I am yielding to the Chairman of the Committee on Civil Service, Honorable Lord Deputy Secretary, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Lord Deputy Secretary is now recognized and for this proposed ordinance.
I would like to pass an ordinance creating and funding one position of Executive Assistant 4, salary grade 22, coterminous, under the office of the City Mayor. for first reading with reservation on joint motion, Madam Chair.
For first reading with reservations, motion approved.
Due to the need and urgency and necessity of this ordinance, I would like to pass this on second and final reading within the internal rules. An ordinance creating and funding one position of Executive Assistant for Salary Grade 22 coterminous under the office of the City Mayor.
Due to the urgency of this resolution ordinance, the Honorable Secretary is passing this on the second and final reading within the internal rules. Any comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading within the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no pending matters on my table under item number 10, business for third reading. Hence, at this juncture, may we have a person of privilege to hear on business matters from Honorable Dingisiso, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Citizens now recognized for the chair for PCF matters.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. This is to inform this august body that this coming July 27 will be the quarterly meeting of the Federation of PCL Board meeting at Pangalaga, Misamis Occidental. This coming July 27, 2024, Madam Chair. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Citizens, for your information. Noted by the chair.
At this point of time, Honorable Chair, may we have also the pleasure and privilege to hear on these matters from Honorable John Pell, the Elder Director, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable John Pell, is now recognized for the chair for the other motion.
Thank you, Majority Floor Leader and Madam Chair. For SK matters, I would like to inform this August body that last June 29, 2024, this presentation attended the joint meeting of the Provincial Youth Development Council and the Local Youth Development Council at the Liga ng Barangay Office, Capitol Drive, Oroquieta City. And we tackled the following, Madam Chair: local youth development rules and regulation, LIDO functions, LIDO local youth development officer and Provincial Youth Development Council training, Provincial Youth Development Plan for 2023 and 2025. And i-present na ang PYDP, Madam Chair, i-adapt na lang ito sa Federation, Decision sa Zamis, and the LIDO, Europe Status, and Youth Serving Organization. We encourage those mga organizations, mga batalyon sa Siyudad sa Zamis, Madam Chair, to register sa Europe under the National Youth Commission. Thank you, Madam Chair. And also, before I forgot, Madam Chair, the PYDP IPF Region 10 quarterly meeting will be on July 8 to 12, 2024, and this composed by the young board members and the local youth development officers of the Region 10 and Caraga Region, and the Misamis Occidental will be hosting for the quarterly meeting, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Thank you for your vital information, Honorable Reynoso. Noted by the chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. In view of the absence of Honorable Royal, may we now have a patient privilege to hear matters concerning the indigenous people, Honorable Belinda Bation, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Bation, you are now recognized for the chair for the appropriate motion. First, the matters concerning the indigenous people.
Thank you, Madam Chair and Majority Floor Leader. Madam Chair, since July 1 naman karon, Madam Chair, ako lang kasama ng Ordinance number 1068-15, an ordinance recognizing, protecting, and preserving Sogali Christian and tradition in Asahan City, genuinely to effect the mandate of RE 8371, the Indigenous Peoples' Right Act of 1987, and declaring July 11 to 17 of every year as Sogali Week. That's all, Madam Chair.
July 11 to
July 11 to 17, Madam Chair.
July 11 to 17. Have you coordinated to our city tourism officer regarding Yes, Honorable Suiso, is there any program in connection with the celebration of our charter anniversary?
Yes, Madam Chair. The Subanon Cake Subanon Festival is being replaced by Pirangat Festival, which is a Ozamis edition, but still it is still focused on the Subanon tribe and culture. It will be this coming July 16. That's Tuesday, Charter Day of Ozamis City, and it will be a street dancing along the streets of Ozamis City. Then the presentation, the ritual, as well as the awarding will be here at our City Hall grounds for the showdown of the rituals. 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Suiso. Can we be furnished with programs in line with the charter anniversary celebration?
Yes, we can furnish, Madam Chair, but it is also posted in our social media pages and channels.
And what are our assignments also?
Okay, Madam Chair.
I think that's very
We will submit also. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Suiso. Subayan Cake, Subanan Festival. Okay, well.
Honorable Chair, this Pirangat Festival is also in line with the festival by the province this coming November.
Oh, Pirangat.
So that Ozamis City will be also a contestant in the celebration of the Pirangat Festival in the province in November. So we are now holding festivals in our city. We also have awards, as awards to the winners. So that is the one also.
Okay. May we know also the categories, LGO of Barangay officials participating teams. Is there any category?
Yes, it is clustered for 15 barangays,
Okay.
Madam Chair, and we have clustered barangays also from rural areas as well as urban areas. Mostly 3 to 4 barangays clustering, including schools of each barangays.
I hope we can be provided with the
Cluster barangays.
programs and also, the clustered barangays and what are also our assignments and when are we going to hear the Subanon or whatever.
Yes, Madam
Because that is in connection with the charter anniversary.
Yes, Madam Chair. We will be giving details probably the next regular session, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Honorable Suiso.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Before I proceed to item number 15, I yield to my colleagues for any important announcements or any other relevant material information they want to bring forth before this body, Honorable Chair.
Yes, Honorable Suiso, you have to.
Yes, Madam Chair, thank you very much. Since I promised to bring with you the scheduled activities is coming July 9, I just like to inform this August body that July 5 will be the opening of the 2-week celebration of the Wellness Park. So July 5, starting July 16, every day na ang atong Wellness Park mag-operate. And then on July 6, that would be the Taekwondo at the Mayor Hilarion Ramiro Gymnasium. We are expected to be there at the Taekwondo opening gym. And then on July 8, that's Kasala ng Bayan, it's 8 o'clock in the morning and also at City Gym. We are also expected to be there.
What about the search?
The search will be on July 14 to be held at Asenso Wellness Park. In the morning, we will be having half marathon, also July 14, Sunday. July 13 will be Saturday, is the cathedral sponsored event, hosted by Archbishop Moy. And 15 and 16 are the back-to-back
15 and 16, that would be
concert.
Yes. Isa mo naman concert.
Manila, Mayonnaise and River Maya.
Really? Very good.
Yes. But on the 16th, we will be very busy from the morning until in the evening, Madam Chair.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Honorable Suso. And I hope that we can be furnished with the details.
Yes, especially on July 12, which is the gala night or the employees night, we will be also having an entry to the dance contest. July 12, City Gym. Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
Honorable Sir, regarding the half marathon, Honorable Ka, gave us information. We have already registered for the 5 kilometers distance for SP members, except the Honorable Chair, who may decide only 3 kilometers half marathon. May we have the details from Honorable Leo, Honorable Chair.
Okay, Honorable Lim.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. Updates about sa half marathon. Last day karon until 11 p.m. ang registration. So, ang kinsa tong habol pwede pa naapod ta sa wellness on niya 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. And also, kung malate sa 9 p.m., napapoy online. Then sa mga city councilors, the OLR, Ozamis Lifestyle Runners would like to extend their gratitude sa inyong pag-support. Nakita na nila ang pag-register and nabilib kay sila pag-upgrade ni Honorable Tapayan. Mo sila, mag-5 si attorney. Then so nangalipay sila tanan kay kanang na timing kayo nga naatay katong sa kada activity nakita sa ato ang kaubang konsehal na naka-join ato nga ang 3 kilometers doon ra day kayo. So moto naka-decide silang tanan nga ni-upgrade sila 5 kilometers, Madam Chair. And also the update ko nanata sa 1,000 and more ang ato ang mga participants na naghanap po ang taga-Ozamis na nag-participate. So, last week, ang daghan is outside Ozamis. Karon naghapol ang mga taga-Ozamis all registered. So, daghan kayong salamat. Yes, Madam Chair.
Please register me, pero ang ako tagang sa kabila.
Mag-skate, mag-roller skates na ito kang Thank you kaayo sa tanang i-participate.
Honorable Chair, Honorable Salvatore Linson, we are thankful for the generosity of Honorable Salvatore, also Honorable Morales, committed to donate more Linsons. Basta mapil ang tanang SP member. Honorable Kakali, kung naka-register ba tanang SP members?
Ang wala nakarehistro, ako gini-rehistro dali-dali. Wala pa na ako nakita gid ang tanan, pero na naman sila gi-pass good, ako ba nag-online na lang. So akong i-check karon ang tawagan na mong organizer kung kumpleto ba ang ato ang kanang hinaot nga makonsensya mo apil gyud ang tanan.
Okay, in behalf of the Sangguniang Panglungsod, I urge everybody to have it registered. Apil gali po?
Yes.
Apil ko, ano sa the Majority Floor Leader. Oh, kamo di ay, tanong pa man na ako.
Walking lang, walking ka, walking.
Pero ano namin ito sa tumoy mo?
So, parisot sa tanang, si Atty. Lau may nag-suggest niya 5 kilometers, so, parisot siya.
Attorney Lau, could be the timekeeper.
Si Atty. Lau may Honorable Lau nag-suggest sa 5 kilometers.
Okay. Yes, Honorable Suiso, you still have more?
Yes, Madam Chair. Before I forget, our dancers from the City Council will be competing for the Employees Night or Games Night this coming July 12. And as we all know, we are consistent winners in the past Employees Night. And they are also asking for our help in their costumes and their props.
Okay.
They will be moving around for our donations as our support for their quest to bag again the first prize award this coming gala night on July 12.
Okay. As
Honorable Season
Honorable Swiso.
we should have uniform amount of support.
Yes.
Okay, we should support our dancers because I know many of us here are dancers, city council members of Luzon, but we need to support our dancers also para mapadayan atong pagdaog sa competition. So, I'm sure you prepare the means of support that we could open our dancers.
Yes, we will build it and then we will have our uniform donations.
I subscribe to the opinion of the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, and we will request yours to be the one in charge kung sa mga kinahanglan sa mga dancers and all that. And then rest assured that this August body will have all our support to our dancers. I know nga they're making good. Maayo kayo ang mga dancers karon. Salamat kay ninyo kay TI and all that. For your being conscientious of your practice. That is very important. No nga, kung ano, conscientious mo kayo sa inyong practice. And then, no doubt na maintain nga po na ito
Yes, yes, Madam Chair, I submit. And for Head Start, part sa itong amang contest, ang atong nabunutan ng good sayaw is Macarena. And part po sa itong choreography is that na-portion nga, parang last, parang finale, nga we will be requesting all the staff and employees of the City Council to stand up and then be part sa, parang isa na ka-action sa Macarena para makita sa judges nga tanan na ang council ni participate po. So, there's dancers sa stage and then kita on our seat, tindog lang ta to perform the Macarena dance nga kadjut ra kaayo. So, mag-practice ta na later on. Yeah, apil siya sa minutes. But finale lang siya na tanan mo tindog para mo action sa Macarena. Kailangan. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Okay, salamat kayo sa choreography. Okay, salamat kayo. Be sure na daw niya puntahan. Any other information? Honorable Saulo?
Honorable Sir, last time we heard the report of Honorable Sir when he arrived from Vietnam. Now we also wish to hear the report of Honorable Salvador. What is the condition now in Singapore, Honorable Sir?
From Singapore? Saulo? Honorable Saulo Salvador, may we hear from you fresh from Singapore?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Mr. Majority Floor Leader. Before ko mo storya regarding sa Singapore, guys, ito pagkagalinga sa ato ang mga dancers nga ngayon assistance. Aside from atong ihatag na assistance, personally, Madam Chair, mo-commit ko o 1 lechon.
Very good. Ako na nagtag na. Ako na nagtag na. Okay. Ayuhan ang kilay ha? Kaya mo lechon.
Nagipagdan mo ko. Commit ko 1 lechon basta makadaw ka na to ang mga dancers. Para ma-motivate yun sila. Ilag yung tarungan ng ilang pagsayaw. Karon, Kung makadaw lang. Pag ako makadaw ko dili, ay lechon.
Di na, naman ka ng lechon.
Consistent naman na to ang mga dancers na nakadaw. Pero wala yung rason na di na po makadaw ka. Okay, regarding sa Singapore, actually, short vacation with my family. Nakabakasyon ko ka dyan sa Singapore. 4 days ako dito. Ako lang may story sa Singapore. Pareha na dali ang kainit o kainit dito. O region, Madam Chair. Actually, na ako'y gamay pasalubong with the City Councilors na sa inyong office. Okay, thank you and good morning.
Salamat. Ano sa mga mabalik ko Singapore?
Tingong pa, Madam Chair.
Sige, salamat kayo. Thank you. Any other information? Yes.
I guess at the moment there are none, maybe next time there are more. So at this juncture, I will now proceed. I am now inclined to proceed to my most unpleasant task. I move to adjourn the regular session.
Session is adjourned.